Welcome back to the Evance demo. Since my last video, I've added a little bit more content onto the page. You can see across here. And what I'm going to demo to you now is styles. We spent a lot of time dealing with CMS systems where you had to install the styles into the system. It was fairly laborious for a designer to do, or you required a developer to do in some of the CMS systems we've dealt with before. So one thing that was really important to us was, in a true WYSIWYG environment, to be able to allow a designer to specify within the style sheet itself what styles are going to be available to a user when they're editing a page. Now what I'm going to do here is demonstrate this by way of just a few little areas on a page. So these are links here. And what I'm going to do here is go up to styles, and you can see here it's come up with more. It's just a nice, might not be ideal, but you can see it's just got a little styling there. Okay, I've also added in a list of features down here, so I'm just going to convert that to a list. And I also have style for a list. Now you can see that previously on this link here it says more, so there's no other options. In this list here it has a couple of options. Bullet list. I'm going to choose bullet list just to keep it in keeping with this, because this is one that I've installed in this, and that's picking it up directly from the style sheet. It's not actually installed into the software. So as a designer I can easily add what we call EV editable permitted styles directly into the style sheet, and that's what it's picking up. And as you notice, it's picking up those that are applicable to the element type. So this is for links, and this is for lists. Okay, and I'm still able to edit across tabs. Just going to add a couple more styles down here. And as you can see, we're starting to build up the page. I've added a little bit more content in here. And just to demonstrate those styles again, if I click preview, you can see we've got some padding around here, but we've got a little bit extra space here. So what I've done is I've added in another style in the style sheet for paragraphs, and I've called it last paragraph. That one's fine. This one may need it. Preview. That's looking a lot better. So you can see just how easy or how simply I'm just editing, previewing and reviewing content directly without any pop-ups. I can see exactly what the page looks like, because this is the actual page that will render when it's live. And that's just a very, very basic introduction to styles in Evance.